Good day everyone, I'm Medrenju Makiling from College of Hospitality Management Year 1 Block 10 at University of Eastern Pangasinan. There is a question here from Science, Technology and Society. The question is the internet bring people closer each other or separating them? And this is my answer for that topic. The impact of internet on social connection is a complex debated topic. On one hand, the internet has facilitated global communication, allowing people from different parts of the world to connect and interact easily. It has also provided platform for online communities, enabling individuals with similar interests to come together and form connection that might not have been possible otherwise. However, on the other hand, some argue that excessive use of internet and social media can lead to scenes of isolation and reduced face-to-face interaction. It is believed that spending too much time online can lead to decrease in real-life social interaction and negatively impact relationships. Ultimately, whether the internet bring people closer together or separate them depends on how individuals choose to use it. It can be powerful tools for connection people, but it is also important to strike balance between online and offline interaction for maintaining meaningful relationships. And that's all of my answer. Thank you for listening and watching.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't